Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Rose again. So, practice build confidence. Confidence doesn't come overnight. Try filming a few times a week. Watch your video and notice your improvement. Maybe you smile more or you speak louder. Celebrate those small wins. Will build your confidence little by little. Mag-practice ka para lumakas ang kumpiyansa sa sarili. Hindi agad dumarating ang confidence, dahan-dahan lang yan. Tapos, subukan mong mag-video ng ilang beses sa isang linggo. Panoorin mo yung video, tapos pansinin mo kung paano ka nag-i-improve. I-celebrate mo yung maliliit na progress kasi yan ang unti-unting nagpapalakas ng iyong confidence. Thank you for watching. Bye!